This is Dr. Alvin Philippos at Venturis, and today we're going to be talking about Darkfield Microscopy and its use at our office with things related to regenerative medicine and autoimmune disorders. So, usually patients will come in when we're doing a consultation. Live blood analysis is a great tool that allows us to kind of see how healthy your cells are. We look for things like spike proteins, especially post-COVID. People have some weird symptoms that come in, and we just want to analyze to make sure there's no spike proteins floating around. We look for things like infections, mold, autoimmune conditions, inflammation, and we cross-coordinate that with more blood work and maybe some cultures and like nasal swabs that we can look for staph, strep, things like that. So what is Darkfield microscopy? Well, a Darkfield is basically a live blood analysis, and it's a technique used to observe blood cells in real time. And unlike standard lab tests, it allows us to actually see the pathogens in abnormal cells, especially if there's any type of toxins that are out there. So this is kind of a view of what the infections in somebody's blood will look like. We're looking for just a small drop of blood, and then once we place it under a high resolution microscope, we can actually change the phasing of that to see different things. So we're looking for white cells, platelets, foreign matter, and that live feedback really helps us kind of figure out if there's any type of hidden imbalances or infections that may be underlying. Conditions we detect, like I said, long COVID, mold exposure, chronic infections, autoimmune disorders, inflammation, and also oxidative stress, especially the mitochondrial level. This is really important for us, and why it matters is because we provide visual proof of these systemic imbalances. It also helps us guide treatment plans in real time, so we're able to track that patient's progress. For example, if you have long COVID, we're able to see the spike proteins. Once we get done with our treatments, we'll actually analyze to see what those spike concentrations are. Same thing with any type of infections. We want to test and retest, whether it's a blood test or a darkfield microscope. We don't like doing just really long treatment plans. We want to see a really good result and as fast as possible. But this is a good tool for us to be able to personalize it and track your protocols and track your progress. So our team's dedicated to regenerative medicine, and when we integrate things like Darkfield microscope, it's just one more tool in the tool belt that gives us a comprehensive evaluation for patients that have these type of diseases. So all you got to do is book a consultation and a blood analysis today. Our phone number is 405-848-7246. You can also visit us on the web at venturisclinic.com and look for our blogs on various topics that may be beneficial to you and your loved ones.